MF Travels presents Room Tour.
This is Embassy Suites, Hilton in La Jolla, San Diego area. Let's go check out the room. 413. This is the living room area. They do have a TV here. It's gonna be my work desk for 2 days that I'll be here. It's pretty spacious for just myself. It does have a bar area right here. Wash area. This is the microwave. We've got a fridge here. It's pretty cool. And some ice buckets there. Let's go check out the bathroom area. It's the bathroom area right here. Shower. There you go. This is a 1-bedroom suite. It's me right there. This is the closet. It does have an iron, extra pillows. It's cool, right? And this is the king size bed. It's pretty cool, right? It does have welcome me. And I'm gonna have a view tomorrow, so I'll check that out. And that's it. That's the Embassy Suites La Jolla in San Diego, California. Let me know if you have any questions. Comment down below. Subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell. Alright, I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.
Don't forget to book your vacay with me, MF Travels.